Hey guys, if you are learning graphic design, then I have brought an important tutorial for you. Many designers do not know how to warp text. If someone knows how to do text warp in CorelDRAW, then he or she does not know about Photoshop. If someone knows about Photoshop in Corel, then he or she does not know about Illustrator. To solve this problem, I have brought for you all a tutorial on how text warping happens in all three software. Let's start with CorelDRAW. First, select a text area above the image, or right-click and click on Insert Placeholder Text. This text area will be filled. Now we will bring the image up. If you select the image, an option of Warp Text will open on top. By clicking here, you can choose any style as per your choice. And below you will get an option by Offset, through which you can do the gap as per your requirement. Now wherever you move the image, it will take the gap along with it. Now let's move to Illustrator, which is a little bit more complicated than this. Place an image first, then select the text area, and it will be filled automatically. If you want, you can also write as per your choice. After selecting the image, now we have to go to the object, and we will get an option called Text Warp. Click on it. If you move it now, it will move along with the gap and will take its place between the text. If you want to maintain the gap, then you will again go to Options and take the cursor over Text Warp, and you will see a text warp option. That way you can adjust the gap. Now move to Photoshop. Warping text in it is a little more difficult than the previous two software. It would be wrong to call it difficult. It is a little time-taking process because there is no need to go into the options. You have to draw the outline. So we can do it quickly. So like the previous software, we will file text in this also. And in this way, the text warp process will be completed successfully. If you get to learn it yourself from the video, then you can like it. For such tutorials, subscribe to The Perfect Production. See you soon.